Hey guys, if you want to learn Helium 10 product research the right way, this is the complete beginner tutorial, and the link in my description gets you the biggest discount on Helium 10 so you can follow along for the lowest price. In the next few minutes, I will show you what Helium 10 actually does, which tools matter when you are starting out, and the exact 3-step process I use to find a winning product to sell on Amazon. Let me start with the big idea, because it is the whole reason this tool exists. If you try to sell on Amazon without data, you are guessing, and guessing is expensive. Pick the wrong product and you can lose thousands of dollars on inventory that never sells. Pick the right one and everything else gets easier. Helium 10 is the all-in-one toolkit that serious Amazon sellers use to replace that guesswork with real numbers, so you can see demand, competition, and profit before you spend a single dollar. Before we open the tools, let me quickly cover how to get started, because you can begin completely free. Helium 10 has a free plan, then 3 paid plans: Platinum, Diamond, and Enterprise. The old starter plan is no longer offered to new sellers, so Platinum is now the entry point. And for most people, Platinum is the one I recommend, because it gives you everything you need to research a product and launch it. The link in my description loads the biggest current discount for you automatically. And you can also use the code TUTORIALSTACK20 for 20% off your first 6 months, or the code TUTORIALSTACK10 for 10% off every month for life. There is also a 7-day money-back guarantee, so you can sign up, run real product research for a week, and get a refund if it is not for you. And if you just want to look around first, the free plan lets you explore the dashboard, though it does limit the big keyword tools like Cerebro, so most sellers upgrade once they are ready to do the real work. Now, let me give you a quick tour of the tools, because you do not need all of them on day one. The ones that matter most when you are starting are Blackbox, which is the main product research tool; Xray, which is a Chrome extension that shows you live data right on Amazon; and Cerebro, which is the keyword research tool that now also includes the old magnet tool, so you can do competitor keyword research and broad keyword discovery in one place. After that, you have the AI listing builder to write your listing, the listing analyzer to score it, and the keyword tracker to watch your rankings once you go live. There are more tools like profits for your numbers and a managed refund service that claws back money Amazon owes you, plus free training called Freedom Ticket, and in 2026, a full TikTok shop and Walmart toolkit. But ignore most of that for now, because we are here to find a product. So here is the 3-step process. Step 1 is product discovery. Step 2 is validation. And step 3 is finding your edge. Let me walk through each one. Step 1 is product discovery with Blackbox. Think of Blackbox as a filter for the entire Amazon catalog. Instead of dreaming up ideas on your own, you set the rules, and Helium 10 hands you a list of products that match. Open Blackbox, choose the products option, and pick the marketplace you are selling in. Then set a few filters. For price, a range of about $20 to $50 is a good starting point, because anything cheaper leaves almost nothing after fees, and much more expensive stops being an impulse buy. For competition, keep the maximum review count low, somewhere around a few hundred, because the more reviews the top sellers have, the harder and more expensive it is to break in. Set a monthly revenue range so there is real demand, but you are not chasing a product that every seller already sees. And stick to standard size and lighter weight, so your shipping and Amazon fees stay reasonable. Hit search and you will get a list of ideas. Now here is a pro tip most beginners miss. Depending on your plan, Blackbox only returns up to 500 results. So if you select a bunch of categories at once, you are missing thousands of products. The fix is to search one subcategory at a time. That way, you know you are seeing everything that matches your filters. And instead of starting on page 1 like everyone else, work backwards from the last page, because the best opportunities are usually the products other people never scroll to. You are looking for items that seem unusual or that you do not immediately recognize, because familiar products are almost always too competitive. Once you have an interesting product, move to step 2, validation, and this is where Xray comes in. Take your product idea, search its main keyword on Amazon, then open the Xray Chrome extension right on the search results. Xray pulls live data you cannot get anywhere else. The estimated monthly sales, revenue, price, reviews, and fees for the top listings. Now, a few things to check carefully. First, look at the listings in their normal organic order and ignore the sponsored ones, because those top organic listings are who you will actually compete against. Second, do not trust the averages at the top of the panel. Count the listings one by one, because a single huge seller can throw the whole average off. You want to see most of the top listings sitting under a few hundred reviews, selling a healthy number of units each month, and priced high enough to leave room for profit. Helium 10 even has a built-in profit calculator, so you can estimate your real margin after fees before you commit a single dollar to inventory. While you are validating, check 3 more things that beginners skip. Check the listing age, because if a lot of the top listings are brand new, the niche is getting crowded fast, and you should be careful. Check whether one big brand owns several of the top spots, because you do not want to fight a brand with an unlimited budget and loyal customers. And check seasonality by opening a top seller's sales graph over the last year, so you are not accidentally buying into a product that only sells for 2 months. Let me give you a quick example of how this looks in practice. Say, Blackbox surfaces a screw and tent stake, something most people would scroll right past. You search it on Amazon, open Xray, and you see the top listing selling well over $20,000 a month at around $30 each, yet most of them have well under 300 reviews and no dominant brand. That combination, real money with soft competition, is exactly the kind of opening you are hunting for, and it is almost impossible to spot without the data in front of you. If your product survives all of that, move to step 3, confirming demand and finding your edge, and for this, we use Cerebro. Cerebro does a reverse lookup on a competitor's product code, and it shows you every keyword that product ranks for. Grab the top 3 organic competitors, drop their codes into Cerebro, and get the keywords. Filter for organic results and top rankings, then sort by search volume. What you want to see is several keywords that describe your product adding up to real demand, ideally more than 10,000 combined monthly searches, which tells you enough people are actually looking for this. Cerebro also shows you roughly how many units you would need to sell in 8 days to reach page 1, which is a quick gut check on how hard the launch will be. Then finish with your edge. Open the reviews on the top sellers and use the Review Insights tool to read the complaints. If shoppers keep saying the same thing breaks or the same feature is missing, that is your opening. You never want to sell the exact same product as everyone else, because then you can only compete on price, and a price war leaves no profit for anyone. Fixing a common complaint, adding a feature, or bundling something useful is how you stand out. Once you have chosen a product, the same tools help you launch. Use Cerebro, which now includes Magnet, to build a full keyword list, and organize those keywords into a main list, a related list, and a misspellings list, so you can target them cleanly later. Then let the AI listing builder draft an optimized title, bullet points, and description from your best keywords, putting the highest volume ones where they matter most. Run the listing analyzer to score your listing out of 10 and tell you exactly what to improve. And after you go live, use the keyword tracker to watch your rankings climb week by week. Now let me be honest with you, because a good tutorial should be. Helium 10 is not the cheapest tool. The price went up this year, and there is a real learning curve, so do not try to master every feature at once. Start with just Blackbox, Xray, and Cerebro. Get comfortable finding and validating products, and add the other tools as you need them. And avoid the classic beginner mistakes. Do not sort the Xray list out of its organic order. Do not trust the averages at the top of the panel. And never launch the exact product you found in a tutorial like this one, because 100 other people are watching too. So use the process to find your own. And remember the 2 safety nets. You can start on the free plan to look around, and the paid plans come with that 7-day money-back guarantee. So testing it properly costs you nothing if you decide it is not for you. So that is the full process. Create your account, learn Blackbox, Xray, and Cerebro, and follow the 3 steps: discovery, validation, and finding your edge. To get started for the lowest price, click the link in my description. Choose Platinum if you are a beginner, and enter Tutorial Stack 20 for 20% off 6 months, or Tutorial Stack 10 for 10% off for life. These deals can change at any time, so lock yours in today. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.